everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful Thursday so far. We have a good looking truck here in front of us today. Today we're going to look at a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT and a burgundy metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. And if I get really close, you can see that that beautiful Ford logo is embedded inside of those LED headlights. As we pan right below that, you'll see that it also is going to come with running LED fog lights with that beautiful black trim along there as well. Coming around here on the bottom, as you can see, there are also some beautiful black powder coated tow hooks here in the front for all of your towing conveniences, as well as that beautiful black roll insert along with the black trim covering all that. And then finally here for that front end, you'll see that beautiful patented blue Ford logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now there are a couple of things to be noted here on the exterior as well before we show you guys this beautiful interior. Now here on your mirrors, you will have integrated turn signal indicators on the rear. And then as we come here to the front, you'll see it'll be that beautiful like 2-piece mirror, as well as they are heated, so don't ever worry about them getting frosty in the wintertime. As well as these beautiful running boards for your added convenience of getting in and out of the vehicle. Like I mentioned though, while we're over here, let's go ahead and show you guys this beautiful interior. As you can see, it is going to come with a premium black cloth interior. Some of this beautiful stitching and design here in the middle, running up the back. And as we turn around here and pan through the dash, you'll see that beautiful black dash finish along with some of this chrome and a darker gray trim here along your air vents. And while we're in here, let's go ahead and drop that glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific Ford F-150, your tire depths will be 9 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 14 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes also being 9 and 32 seconds. While we're over here, let's go ahead and show you guys this back seat as well. As you can see, that beautiful interior is going to stay consistent back here with that beautiful design staying consistent as well through the middle. Also, while we're back here, behind your driver and passenger seat, you will have a 400 watt max outlet, as well as a 12 volt plug-in down below that. Your own individual air vents, so the back seat stays pretty cool and heated as well as the 2 cup holders up top. Coming around here to the rear, don't ever worry about backing up into anything because you have these beautiful parking sensors as well as a beautiful backup camera. Not to mention a hitch and receiver for all of your hauling needs. While we're back here, let's go ahead and drop this tailgate as well. As you can see, it is that easy lift, easy lower tailgate with an integrated tailgate step as well. Let me go ahead and pull that out for you guys. There you can see that, awesome. And as you can see, there is no bed liner in this vehicle. However, this bed was very well maintained. As you can see, it's kept in very good condition with that beautiful burgundy paint matched color. Now you are going to have your typical hooks back here for strapping down anything you could possibly think of, as well as integrated bed lights so you can see while working in the dark. Now I am also going to step up on this to show you guys how much weight it can actually hold. Now it does say here on the warning, it says keep the step load below 350 pounds. And I am about 6'2" and weigh about 180 something pounds, give or take. So I'm gonna go ahead and step up in here and show you guys that it holds my weight very comfortably. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple bounces as well. As you can see, the suspension system on this Ford F-150 is in very good condition because it is holding my weight and the weight distribution very well. Now we're going to go ahead and show you some of the interior features, but I do just want to preference this and say that it is going to come with keyless entry as well. So as long as you set up a code on this driver's side door, you'll be able to enter and exit without having your keys. While we're over here, let's go ahead and show you guys some of this interior features. It is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. As you can see, you'll get a beautiful little start up there on your driver and middle display from Ford. And you also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with very low mileage. It's going to come with just over 54,000. Very low for a 2015. And as we come here to the left side of your steering wheel, you're gonna have a bunch of different options down here. I'm gonna go ahead and go through each of them individually. So you are gonna have all of your lighting adjustments here. So for your headlights, you are gonna have the option for your automatic headlights. And then here on the left side, you will be able to turn them off, and then the light for your bed. And then this is the brightness control to your driver display. So I'm gonna go ahead and dim that all the way down, just showing you guys, see there as it goes all the way down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put that all the way back up. And then you also are gonna have your parking brake, as well as the option to raise and lower your pedals. The left knob behind your steering wheel is gonna be your windshield wiper adjustments, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. To the left side of your steering wheel, you're gonna have your driver display options using this control pad, as well as the OK. And then the cruise control is gonna be right below that. And then on the right side, you're gonna have all of your middle display options up top, as well as your touch to talk down below. Coming over here into the middle, you are gonna have that large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, a backup camera. Now there are a lot of different options on this screen. I'm not gonna go through each and every one. Just a couple of including them is you will be able to connect your phone and have the navigation come through the screen, as well as some different entertainment options down here. You are gonna have a CD option, as well as the USB option. And then there it is, including that Bluetooth and the auxiliary line in. You also will have the option to connect an SD card. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that here in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back. Now above that touchscreen display, you are gonna have some different options up there as well, pertaining to your traction control on the left, your four ways, and then this is your automatic start and stop. So whenever you come to a stop, the vehicle will shut off unless that is clicked on. Now coming below that touchscreen display, if you don't want to actually touch the screen, you will have some manual options located right below that. If I come here to the left, you'll see that that is the option for your 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. And if I come over to the right side, you will see that there will be a 12-volt plug-in, as well as another 400-watt max outlet. And if I come down here, you'll see that, as I mentioned, you'll be able to put a CD in, as well as the climate control at the touch of your fingertips right there as well. Not to mention, these front seats are heated, so don't ever worry about your butt getting cold in the wintertime. And now if we come down below, you'll see that this will open up into a storage compartment with a 12-volt plug-in there on the left, as well as an auxiliary line in, 2 USB ports, and that beautiful SD card entry there on the right. And if I come back here, you'll see that beautiful shifter knob on the left with your option to put it in manual and shift gears on your own. The 2 cup holders on the right side, as well as this small storage compartment running through the middle. And you are going to have that large center console, and it is going to be lockable, and the key is included in this as well. Now as you can see, this is a very large and deep storage compartment, and there is another 12-volt plug-in down there as well. And this smaller storage compartment up top is going to have a coin holder for your added convenience of that. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you'll have lighting options for both your driver and passenger, a sunglass holder here in the middle, and the option to open and close your rear window. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a beautiful 2.7 liter V6F DOHC 24V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have some typical stone chips, and like I mentioned every other video, the only way to avoid this is to keep your garage kept its entire life. As we make our way here to the passenger side of the body, this front seems to be in very good condition. No curb rash on these rims, as well as you can see the tires are in beautiful condition. Running boards are also in great condition. Coming back here along to this rear passenger side door, there is a slight imperfection here on the door, as you can see there. Coming around here to the rear, once again another small imperfection there on the bed portion of the vehicle. Showing you guys this rear passenger side tire, once again great condition, no curb rash on that rim. Coming around here to the rear, you are going to see there are typically some trunk scratches. However, this vehicle was very well maintained and there are none. go ahead and dropping this tailgate down for you guys. As you guys can see, there are some typical tailgate imperfections back here. And if I go ahead and show you guys this bed, as you guys can see, there are going to be some slight imperfections in the bed as well. Go ahead and put that back up. Making our way down the driver's side of the body, as you can see, there is a slight imperfection here, as well as some small chips here on the rear wheel well. And then showing you guys this rear driver's side tire, once again, great condition, no curb rash on that rim. And then making our way back up here to the driver's side of the body, there is going to be some slight scratching here, as you guys can see, as well as a small imperfection here on the driver's side door. Making our way back up here to the driver's side tire, go ahead and show you guys that. That is in beautiful condition, no curb rash on that rim as well. This was a very clean and very well maintained 2015. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2015 Ford F-150 XLT. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCollensburg, PA. If you want to see more vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to turn push notifications on as well. Have a good day, guys.